A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Learning with Teacher Serean. Today I have a special guest with me, and that is Remy the rabbit. Remy the rabbit is going to teach us how to make a healthy breakfast which begin with the letter Y. The letter Y. What is that? What begins with the letter Y? I have few things. Yogurt. Yeah, yogurt. Yogurt begins with the letter Y. What else? I have yolk. Yolk begins with the letter Y. And everything that you see here is yellow. 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 Everything begins with the letter yellow. I even have my favorite fruits, yellow mango. Yellow. Do you like yellow? Yellow is pretty, isn't it? And once we finish making our breakfast, it's gonna be yummy. Yum yum. Yummy. Alright, are you ready? You should have a hard-boiled egg. Yeah, hard-boiled egg. Yogurt. Your favorite fruits. I'm choosing yellow mango. Few crackers. And also a bottle of mayonnaise. Let's start with what you want to begin with. Banana. Banana. Mango. Mango yogurt. Alright. First, a bowl, yogurt. I'm gonna cut my yellow mango first, okay? I'm gonna cut to smaller pieces. I'm gonna mix it with my yogurt. Alright, have you washed your hands yet? I have, yeah? Let's begin. I'm gonna put my crackers here. Let's begin. We'll cut to smaller pieces, okay? I'm gonna cut it to a smaller pieces so it's easier for us to chew. Yellow mango. Yellow knife. Put it in my yellow bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's make 10. 8, 7, 8, 9, and the last one, 10. Let's put them together. And then what's next, Remy? Mix the yogurt. Okay, let's mix the yogurt. Mix the yogurt in my yellow bowl. Let's put all in. It's yummy. Yum yum. Yummy. And then, what's next? Do we eat it now? No? We stir it? Let's stir it. Yum yum. One is done. Let's do the next one, shall we? Which one is that? The egg. With me, I have a hard-boiled egg. Can you see the yolk? Yeah, yolk. Y is for yolk. I'm gonna cut it to a smaller piece first. Okay, 4 pieces. 1. Let's look at this beautiful yolk. Yolk. Yeah, yolk. I'm going to put it in my yellow Tupperware here. Maybe cut it to a smaller piece, yeah? So it's easier for us to mash it later. You like egg? Look at that beautiful yolk. Okay? Then I'm going to maybe few. 1. Oh, it's not open. Silly me. Ay. Let's open it up. Here you go. Close it back. Let's scale it up. Oh, let's put some mayonnaise in our mash it. Mash it? Alright, let's do it. Mash. Mash the yolk as well and the white together with the mayonnaise. Smell nice. Yummy. Mash it really well. You can do it at home. 1 egg, hard-boiled egg, mayonnaise in your yellow Tupperware with your yellow fork. Start mashing it to smaller pieces. Very fine. Is this okay, Remy? Do you need it more? More mayonnaise? He wants more mayonnaise. Let's put some more. Yum, yum, yum. Right. Mash it. Mash it. What's next? I'm hungry. Are you hungry? Let's see what's next. Put them on your cracker. Okay, let's put them on the cracker. Let's clear everything away first. Right? Let's clean our yellow forks. Wipe our yellow knife from the mango. And spread our egg mayo on the cracker. Just spread them like this. It's yummy. I can smell it. One for me. One for Remy. Do you like it? I love this healthy breakfast that begins with the letter Y. Y. Yum yum. Let's see. Ooh, smooth. Okay. Now I have my healthy breakfast. Now you can make yourself some tea if you want. So, the letter Y, yellow, yogurt, yolk, and you have a healthy breakfast. I'm going to share my healthy breakfast which begin with the letter Y with Remy as well as you. Let's try our yogurt first. It's yummy. Yummy. It's yummy. It really is. What about my yolk, my cracker? Let's try some. It's really nice. So that's all for today. Letter Y, and we make a healthy breakfast. Till then, wherever you are, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Thank you.